it's time for a new vlog. I promised I'll do one of the vlogs, in my opinion, in one of the nicest sightseeing places in Bovec and Soča Valley. We are in Waterfall Virje, in a small village Plužna next to Bovec, and this is really one of the must-see places in Bovec. I will walk down to the waterfall and will explain to you everything on the way. This is the road you will drive down to. There you have a parking machine that you pay for your parking. It's up to 2 hours. Here you have the signs showing you to Slap, which is in Slovenian Waterfall Virje. It should take you about 5 minutes down. And since we are located in such a beautiful area full with beautiful nature, we ask you to respect the nature, pick up the trash and take it with you. Here you have a bit of the information board. So in the area you can also see Plužansko jezero, which is Plužna lake, and also spring of Gljun, which is also very beautiful, and which is, by the way, filling the Waterfall Virje. So let's head down to the waterfall. Let's see how it looks like. Here you have again some information for you, for those of you who like to read. So it's springtime, guys. Look, we have some flowers already. Let's enjoy the way. Okay guys, so we are here. Look at the flowers. They are amazing this time. This is something you cannot see in the summer. But look at the waterfall. It's amazing. At the entry, you have some information that you can read, that you can see. And here we have some benches that you can have a seat and admire the waterfall. The view is amazing. Look at this, guys. See? So we are near the waterfall, and I'm standing, in my opinion, in one of the best places to take photos and just to chill and admire the beautiful nature, the waterfall, the surroundings and everything. So it did take me about 5 minutes to come down. I'm presuming up will be a bit more because it's uphill, but it's worth of a try and the walk. I will show you the beautiful area that I'm standing at, and I will let you enjoy for a few seconds the waterfall, virtual, but I'm sure you will like it. Waterfall Virje is filled by the river Gljun. The river Gljun is filled by the waters and the snow from Mount Kanin. I have never seen the waterfall empty, so there is a lot of water underneath. Of course, when it's raining, it's much bigger, and there are some photos and videos also on my Instagram that you can see how the waterfall looks like after the rain, but this is not very often in the summer. So this is basically what you will get in the summer as well. What now is different than in summer as well is that the trees are greener, and well, the nature is awake and in its full glory. But also in summer there's a lot more people here. So the perks that you get coming and visiting in pre-season or after season is this: no one is here, I'm alone, so I can enjoy the area much more and be more relaxed and just soak in everything that the nature has to offer. This would be it. Now I have to go up and I will try to do the spring of Gljun as well and Plužna lake. So see you later. Couldn't leave the area without doing something silly.